Yeah, dear student, welcome back to the accountancy class and continue with our chapter 40 depreciation. So I have taught you both the methods of charging depreciation. Both the methods of recording depreciation. So we are dealing with case 2, that is when depreciation is credited to the asset account or a separate account called provision for depreciation account is maintained. So we have solved the example 3 in which we have maintained provision for depreciation account from the very beginning, from first year to 3 years. Now here we are dealing with the problem that the existing balance of the machinery and provision for debt is given to us on April 1, 2014. Now how to deal with such type of numerical? Now see what else is written. On 1st April 2018, they decided to sell a machine for 2 lakh. Clear? They decided to sell a machine for 2 lakh and the balance is included in this account, that is 8 lakh, which was purchased on 1st April 2015. Clear? On the same date, they are selling a machine for rupees 2 lakh, purchased on 1/4/15. Clear? So this balance is inclusive of this amount and depreciation for the 3 years is included in this amount. So first we will make working notes to find out that how much depreciation is there from the date of purchase to the date of sale, which was purchased on 1/4/15 for rupees 3 lakh. Clear? 3 lakh of the machine which was purchased on 1/4/15 was sold for 2 lakh on April 1/15. Now this amount is included in this and 3 year depreciation is included in this. So in order to find out the profit or loss accruing on the sale of the machine, first what we have to do, we have to make working notes from the previous date. Clear? To find out the current year figure of the machine as well as the total depreciation of this machine for this machine. So see how to make working note. So value of machine as on 1/4/15. So what is the value of machine? 3 lakh. Now charge depreciation. Less depreciation at the rate 10%. So that comes to 30,000. Subtract this 2,70,000. Okay? Now value as on 1/4/16. Again less debt at the rate 10%. This is straight line method, so amount of depreciation will remain same every year. 2,40,000. Value of machine as on 1/4/17. Now depreciation for this year, debt at the rate 10%. Again 30,000. Okay, 2,10,000. Value of machine as on 1/4/18. Now on 1/4/18, the value of the machine is 2,10,000 and machinery is sold for 2 lakh. So this means we are having depreciation we are having loss of 10,000. So less sale 2 lakh. Okay. So 2 lakh is the cash receipt and 10,000 is the loss on sale. Loss on sale of machine. So that will go to the profit and loss account. Clear? Now your working notes are prepared. One more thing we will do, we will calculate the 3 years depreciation and write it over here as total depreciation charge. So total depreciation charge is 1, 2 and 3 equal to 90,000. Clear? Now you can pass journal entry also for this. See, bank account debit, provision for debt account debit, Profit and loss account debit to machine account. Clear? So how much cash you have received? 2 lakh cash is received. Write 2 lakh over here. Provision for depreciation, total depreciation charge 90,000. Loss on sale of machine 10,000. So to machine account 3 lakh. Clear? In this way you can pass the journal entry. Now we are going to prepare the ledger of machine account as well as provision for depreciation account. So dear student, now we have prepared the ledger. Clear? So working notes will be clear to you. Now see how to prepare ledger for this numerical. Clear? So the balance of machinery account given is 3 lakh and 8 lakh. So we are going to bifurcate it because the machinery which is going to be sold will be written as A and the balance will be written as B. Clear? As we are selling this machine in the beginning of year only. Clear? So we will again pass the journal entry by bank account. How much we have received? 2 lakh. Clear? By provision for depreciation account. If you remember in working note, total depreciation charge 90,000. So that will come here. Clear? And by profit and loss account 10,000. Loss occurred on the sale of the machine. Clear? 10,000. Now on the same date we have not purchased any machine. Only machine we have with us is 5 lakh. So at the year end we are going to balance it 2019 March 31st by balance sheet 5 lakh. Clear? Make a total of it and balance it, that comes to 8 lakh. Now your machinery account has been prepared. Now we are going to prepare provision for depreciation account. So opening balance given to us is 3 lakh 20,000. So write it over here. Always remember, all asset will show the debit balance while provision will always show the credit balance, because provision are made for the liability which is known but exact amount is not known. These are called short term provision. So now we have sold one machine. This is case 2. Here machinery is always shown its original cost and depreciation is collected in a separate account called provision for debt account. And when we sell the machine, we are going to transfer the related depreciation from the provision for debt to machinery account. So total depreciation charge is 90,000. So it is transferred from provision for debt to machinery account. So on the debit side, write to machinery account 90,000. Clear? Now we have left with the second machine and no other machine is purchased. So on this machine depreciation is charged, in this account provision for depreciation account. So 2019 March 31st by debt account. 10% of 50,000 5 lakh is 50,000. Make a total of it. So that comes to 370. And now year end we are going to balance. So 2019 March 31st to balance 370 minus 90. So that comes to 2,80,000. Again make a total of it. So that comes to 3,70,000. In this way you have to prepare the ledger for machinery account and provision for depreciation account. I hope this thing is clear to you. Solve the numerical. In the next class we will solve some other type of numerical. Thank you.